Oh, strong. Let's go, dude. What's up, man? There was complications, bro. Dude, I feel like you can't catch a break. It's all good. Complications, no good. All right. So we are continuing the development of Tutorial Island. One thing I want to call out. Where'd my little guy go? Here. Um, Continuing. Oh, damn, dude. I'm glad that the pain's gone. I feel like that's step one. But hopefully you'll be working with her and be able to come up with, whatever steps are needed. Check out our tutorial, Strong. You ready for this, dude? Check this out, dude. Look at this. Let's create your first habit. You create habits in the My Habits tab. This is a button to. I gotta fix this text. This is the button to press to create new habits. Give your habit a title. Add notes about your habit here. When you are finished, create the habit here. That's a good process. Jeroen, let's go. Trom, that's right. More tooltip fun. Today, building tutorial island. So specifically, I want to make a generic modal. I want to make a let's make this like that. Create generic modal. I also want to make and I don't know what this will look like, but allow allow buttons to trigger tutorial progress. So what I mean by that is allow buttons to trigger tutorial progress. I don't think any of the code was used, dude, but basically the whole tutorial here was inspired from it. So like theoretically it was used. I don't think I borrowed the code just because it was easier for me to just figure it out. But thanks, dude. Thanks deeply for your help there. I totally borrowed what you looked at. I totally took what you did and just basically kind of like massaged it into here. Yeah, dude, it's looking good. So allow generic modal. What I want that to say? Let me show you what that looks like. Lazy Dev, how we doing, man? Happy Friday. Happy Friday to all. Friday devs. So check this out. Start create habit flow. What I think I want to do is this. These are, for the record, these buttons up here are just for testing. These aren't actually like, these won't be here. But imagine like something triggers the tutorial to start. Boom. I want to put a modal here, I think, that says, let's create your first habit. And then you say, let's go. Boom. Okay, then it's going to come here and say, you create your habits in the My Habits tab. And then this is a button to press to create new habits. Great. Then I'm going to walk them through this thing, give your habit a title, add notes about your habit here. When you're finished, create the habit here. And that's a good initial workflow. Then I want to say, then look at this one on the bottom right left of my stream here. It says allow buttons to trigger tutorial progress. So right now what you saw were tutorial actions progressing the tutorial. This create, like now the person has free form over their app, right? Hello world. This is my habit, right? They got free reign over their app. Oh, interesting. That it progressed the habit. It's okay. Whatever. Either way. I need this create button to trigger the next step. So that's what allow buttons to trigger tutorial progress me. Because this isn't, I don't want to leave a modal here that says click here now. I basically want to explain to them what this page is and then let them have fun. That's the idea. So with that said, let's carry on. Let's create this generic one. Yo, Avery Angry Man, what's up? Welcome in. Thank you so much for the follow. So let's see what this is going to look like. Watch this. Tutorial create. So I moved the creation of the habits, or sorry, not habits, the tutorial steps all into their own files. That way it's a little bit more organized. So this is called the Tutorial Island Create Habit Flow file. And this defines what the create habit tutorial flow looks like. So you can see right here it says press habits tab, add new habit button, explain the title, explain the notes, explain the create button, action the create button. That's what that means. I want to add a new step right here that says create habit flow. I'm just going to call it notify create habit. Cool. So let's go create that. I don't know what this is going to look like yet. I really don't. I hope it's easy. Notify create habit. Great. So we have this thing called notify create habit. I don't know why it's blue. Okay, there you go. So then what is that going to look like? Because what we need this thing to do is, I'm going to delete this. What we need this to do is basically pop up a modal dead center of the app over everything with, but it's not anchored to any specific habit. Sorry, any specific element. So I was reading the word habit. Any specific element. You think Twitch? It probably is, dude. Notify, create habit. Cool. Okay, so the option. See, that's the thing. Let's go here. Let's just call this general notification. General notification. So that's a general notification, and let's see what this is going to look like. Welcome Welcome to Embedder. Let's show you around the place. We will start by creating your first habit. And I wonder if I can new line this. We'll see. Welcome to Embedder. Let's show you around the place. We will start by creating your first habit. So the position of this, center, alignment center. Okay, so there you go. There's our first, step, but it doesn't anchor to anything. So what I need to do, I think, is maybe I can have it anchor to something over here. I mean, it's basically a modal. So I could almost just actually use a modal. What would that look like? Embedder modal. Who uses this? Who uses an embedder modal? Or yeah, like something like this. And what sets it visible? That's the next question. Okay, so say I have this modal. What main? What sets that thing visible? I think it's literally just passing in a boolean to it. Yeah. Cool. Like trophy case. That's a good one. Nice and simple. It turns out we just pass in a boolean to it. Let's see. Let's even go look at that. Oh God, there's a fly in my room. Bruh. No. Absolutely not. Absolutely not. Not while we're coding, bro. Okay. They're attracted to the CO2. I hope it dies. Yo, E Freddy was good. No, it's not allowed to help. Boss Meyer, thanks so much for the follow. Welcome in. Happy Friday to you all, guys. Happy Friday to you all. So, what this is doing is I think I have to unfortunately do. I don't really want to, but one way I know I can do this is these generic components. So confetti view, drop down alert. So I can make one called tutorial island modal. And what I could do, Simulnik, what's up? Welcome in. Lormis says, do you have any tips on how to learn React Native? Yeah, I got the #1 tip. Dive in. Pick a small project that encompasses several components you think would be interesting and start. My only other comment is use Expo because it's like this like development ecosystem built around React Native, which I think helps hide some of the troubles. So 96 has complete. Oh, dude, You're just not allowed to, I'm gonna smash this freaking fly, dude. That's so annoying. I don't know what that is. My old keyboard. I actually want to bust it out again, dude. It's so great. Such a great old keyboard. I just can't actually type on it anymore. I've gotten too used to the split keyboard life. But God, that's a nice looking green. All right. So anyway, I think my best way to do anonymous gifter gave Trump's tiny nuts a sub. Outstanding. Outstanding. Thank you so much for the anonymous gifted sub to Trump's tiny nuts. Outstanding. Okay. Lormiz. Sometimes you gotta grind it out, my friend. Dude, I never even wrote JavaScript before. Like I've written some JavaScript, but like not really. And I was like, all right, here we go. I'm gonna build a mobile app, and you just figure it out over time. You Google, you Chat GPT, you know, you look at tutorials and examples and stuff. But I personally don't like learning from a guide. I like trying to build something, and then I might read a guide that shows me a specific thing I'm trying to solve. Okay, but anyway, so this is like my top level component. Look, there's already modals here, so I could literally add in here tutorial island modal, honestly, right? You've been a developer for years, but for some reason learning React over... Dude, React is fun. It's really... Now, React, you should probably watch... Dude, here's another way, Lormiz, I think learning software is cool. Watch 5 in-depth videos on what React is. 5 videos. Wes Boss has fantastic videos, by the way. That's where I started. But React is it's conceptually so cool. I hate the hate that it gets, dude. Like, it is cool. The way that you basically just pass data up and down the DOM, and each level basically listens for changes and will modify itself and everything underneath it. It's really cool. I think it's really cool. Like, me coming from like the only UI stuff I ever did was C++, which was just barbaric. And then coming into this front end world and learning React, I was like, yo, this is sick. So I think it's worth it. And Expo really helps. Really helps. Tutorial Island modal. Lieutenant, let's go. Lieutenant, you made me, dude. You made me, dude. The timeline, Lieutenant, you made me, dude. The timeline was looking so beautiful, and we had this giant blemish on the timeline. A giant blemish, dude. It looked, dude. My hand was forced, Lieutenant. I didn't want to do it to you. Yo, Lumen was good. Dude, it made... Imagine being a new user and seeing that on the timeline. No way, dude. I would have deleted the app immediately if I saw that. I was like, well, this thing's weird. The whole screen was full of emojis. So, no, we are not fixing bugs, my guy. We are not fixing bugs. We are building a tutorial system because nobody knows how to use the app when they first download it. Tutorial Island modal. And I'll show you quick what it does. Well, actually, it probably won't work yet. Um, Tutorial, create. Yeah, for you guys wonder what Lieutenant and I are talking about. Lieutenant had like 400 emojis in his username, and I manually deleted them because if you went to the timeline and it filled the entire page. It filled the entire page with emojis manually. I manually removed them. I a future step will be preventing them in general. So check this out, guys. Here's the tutorial we have so far. For those of you who are new here, we don't have a tutorial. Check this out. Let's create your first habit. You create habits in the My Habit tab. So you click here and it takes you here. This is the button to press to create new habits. And then give your habit a title. Add notes about your habit here. When you are finished, create your habit here. So that's what we have so far for the workflow. But I'm adding a generic modal, which I'm about to cook up as we speak. It's going to be dope. What's up, dog? What's up, dog? How you doing? This dog's sleep schedule's so screwed up. Just waking up at 3:45 with me every day. Go later. Go later. Go later. Dude, 3 stream streak. Let's go. And for the record, breaking things is good. It is good. Helps me find, pain point areas. So that was fun and all. But we brought the band hammer in. We got a little more. But boy, I'll probably just push that out of view because an empty coffee cup is probably that's probably like a trigger for some people. It would be a trigger for me. No, my coffee. You've always wondered what time you went to bed. Your dad still haven't gone to bed yet. That's crazy, dude. Thank you for the prime sub, by the way, Josh. I go to bed about 9. I try to go to bed by like 9:30. And to be honest, that's not enough sleep. And I pay for it often. I just showed the tutorial, bro. I'll show it. Don't worry. I'll show it here in a second again. It's sick, dude. I can't even lie. The tutorial is freaking sick. I can't even lie. I'll show you. Tutorial modal. Let me just get this in here. Okay, let me show you it. One more time, and then we're going to keep cooking. All right, here we go. Let me reload the app. So here's a tutorial, guys. So like someone creates an app, they add their username, and then they go, boom. Start create habit flow. Boom. Let's create your first habit. You create habits in the My Habits tab. This wording will potentially change. This is the button you press to create new habits. Give your habit a title. Add notes about your habit here. When you are finished, create the habit here. Dude, and let me tell you guys, this thing is, you've never seen a more custom component, bro. I'm telling you, this could absolutely be a library that I just like released. Now, I would never maintain that because this thing probably sucks, but it's so generic. I can define if the arrow, see this little down arrow here? I can define if it's over here, 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 or here. I can define if the bubble goes above, below, left, or right of the component I'm on. And so it's just, and I can define if it gets a got it button or if it's actually waiting for the component to be clicked itself. It's just a very dynamic solution. Josh said, I let my wife go to bed around 9:30. You try to take baby duty at night and then go to bed around 2 or 3. Sleep until 8. Yeah, that's actually a pretty good routine, dude. Baby duty, what is that? Like, what do you get? What are you doing? Feedings every couple hours or something? Rizarshi, how do you request a YouTube? Unfortunately, oh crap, my Spotify's not up. I blew it. You can't request YouTube. It's a Spotify plugin. Did I see the screenshot you sent? It looks close to that. I probably did. I probably did. I probably stole ideas from it. So thank you. So anyway, we're creating a generic modal that just sits in the middle of the screen. Modal. Tutorial. Tutorial island modal. Okay. I'm just going to set this to true while we build this. Main. Major follow alert. Marzus, what's good? Welcome. Okay, so let's see if that breaks. Hey, there's our modal. Let's go. Kind of what we need. All right. So what this is going to do is it's actually going to listen to Redux for modal notifications. So what I'm thinking is this: if we go to, oh no, in fact, what I think it'll listen to is the tutorial. So it's tutorial island modal. Let's go to generic. What is it called? Global. Bruh. Dude, the rage I get. Dude, my dog will just dude, it's not even 5 in the morning. I'm kind of waking up. Could you guys hear that? Dude, she she'll snag her foot or something and just does the highest pitch freaking scream. And my body just can't, my body can't process it. It's it's crazy. It's crazy. Like nobody's expecting a 180 decibel scream in their ear at 4:59 in the morning. It's nice and peaceful up here. It's nice and quiet. It's like, boom. It'll scare you. Let me tell you. Okay, so we need tutorial island state. Okay. So let's do const tutorial island state equals. Nope. So we need use app selector get tutorial island state. Great. Look, we have a state. So now I can say if tutorial island state what about it? Dot current step. What is a current step? Let's see here. Not current. Flow state. I need to know how. Oh, I gotta ask the thing. Yo, dental was good. Welcome, my friend. Wait, so why does this thing have current state? and flow state. Oh no, we're good. So current step, right? Current step. If, okay, then we're going to do major follow alert from Ass to the Black Sword. What's good? Welcome in. Wolfric, absolute facts right there. Absolute facts right there. 10x devs using better. Scan the QR code above if you want to be a 10x dev. So current, okay, so we need to do tutorial island service dot get. Is this step option? What is this taken? No, it's get. It wants the step. What the? I don't understand. This is Expo. Expo. Okay, let's see here. I need to get the current option. No. We'll call it a step. Let's look at a step then. What is a step? Step option. Step option. So this thing is the thing that has the optional tooltip. Tutorial island generic or general notification. And it's going to have a tooltip. All right. Sounds good. So again, I have the current step. And then I don't understand this. Who calls this so I can better understand? You got to wonder where the EDM went. Seems like we lost it in the sauce somewhere. We need our resident DJ. All right. Let's see here. Get step option. No, this isn't a banger. I can't hear. I don't know one thing this dude's saying. Tutorial. Okay, so who's calling this? Okay, I understand. I understand now. Const is okay. So watch this. Option equals tutorial island service dot get step option. A bit of a rivalry. Oof. Now we're spicing things up. Current step. An option, I'm going to go Tutorial Island option. Generic notification. Done. So, if, boom, visible visible, what the hell? Notification option is not undefined. Okay, there you go. And then what we're gonna do is go to tooltip. Oh, rich code. How we doing? Long time no chat, my friend. Tooltip. Here. I'm just gonna steal the UI, honestly. Um, let's just, no, what if I could use it? What if I could use it? Light starting to appear at the end of the tunnel. That's all we can ask for then, dude. I wish you all the luck through your challenges, man. Sometimes it ain't easy, but never give up. Never give up. Visible. Okay, this song actually kind of is a banger. Okay, there we go. We cooked that solution. Well, let's leave this as true for now. All right, so true. Does it make sense? Tooltip. I'm wondering if this makes sense. What does this take? This takes in a tooltip. Uh, Shanky, first of all, thank you for downloading it. I hope it helps you build some habits. Second of all, yeah, so that what you see popping up on stream is called Magpie, and I collect certain notifications. That's not Magpie. It's actually just to my phones, by the way. This just happens to be a phone. But new user created. Basically, whenever there's exciting action in the app, I get a push notification about it because I want to know usage. Here's premium button pressed when somebody's basically evaluating if they want to purchase premium. I like to know because it's exciting. It's like fishing, right? Like I cast my rod and all of a sudden I got a fish on the other end. So yeah, we get notifications like that. So notification step option. Oh, this is so sick. This could work, Wolfric. This could work, Wolfric. All built with React, baby. Isn't that cool? Bruh, what? What's your beef? Notification option. Sure. Does that fix your problems? Oh, come. Don't do it to me. You know that's fine. We already checked if it's undefined. If let's do this. The fly's on my webcam. The fly's just taunting me on my webcam. It's just sitting on top of it. Guys, I got an evil fly haunting me. Okay, let's see here. Let's do this. Const tooltip equals. I guess I gotta create my own. It's kind of bootleg, but we'll take it. Oh, this fly, dude, go away. Oh, don't you do it to me. I can't catch it, Freddy. I can't catch it. Tutorial. Models. Watch this. Export const default. No, we'll call this invalid tooltip. There you go. There's our tooltip. So like we know it's a tooltip. Don't you you can't tell me nothing else. Parent width and parent height. Interesting. I don't think I need these. I don't know though. We'll find out. For fun, actually, why don't I actually use this invalid tooltip to create a little tooltip? This is a generic tooltip notification. Okay, so there you go. This happened in Prime the other day. Yes, we are neighbors. We're neighbors on Twitch. All right. I don't know if I can. I don't know if this is gonna work. Why do you care about parent height? Get window. Oh, Wolfric, did you see that? Wolfric, did you see that? Unbelievable. Nobody saw that coming. Who wrote this? Who wrote this, guys? Does anyone know who wrote this? Absolutely incredible. Absolutely incredible. It is. It is a RuneScape reference. It absolutely is. This is a generic. Watch. Oh, Wolfric's not even going to believe this. Wolfric, you ready for this? You ready for this? I can't make this up. Dismissible true. Watch this, Wolfric. We'll allow it to reload. Got it. Watch this. Got it. Okay, why didn't it advance us to the next step? Because it's not actually in a tutorial yet. Because it's not actually in a tutorial yet. I know exactly what's happening here. Um, invalid state. I can't wait for that one day to just show up for the end user. With something white fly? Oh, see, that looks like such shit. Tooltip. The minimum. Why can't I center it? I don't think I want to actually. How do I get the width of the text? Whatever. Okay, let's keep cooking. Um, Tommy, good long time no chat, my friend. Welcome in, dude. Hope all is well for you. Getting a lot of old friends showing up. Let's see here. Want to center that? Takes 10 years of experience. How to center a div. Well, yeah, it's a little involved because centering isn't hard. I don't know if I want to center it. I don't know. I just don't know, guys. Text width, const min width. We'll see if we can figure this out. Nice. So if I make this 200, does it grow? No. So which one won? Text width, min width. So text width is 97. Yeah, so between these two. Yeah, that's right. Cool. Okay, we'll leave it there. It might be good, it might not. Still rocking Windows. That's right, Tommy. That's right, dude. It just looks a little bootleg, but again, that's just the invalid state, so I don't really care. We'll deal with it later if we have to. All right, so congrats to us. Let's go to tutorial modal. Then let's go to here, and this is going to be visible. And there is no dismiss. Can I delete that or nah? Oh, you son of a gun. All right, cool. Here we go, guys. Ready? Let's see if it works. Let's just see. Crap. Forgot something. The fly. The fly. I feel like my shirt is making my face extra orange. See if we can change some lighting. Nice. I'm not as orange now. That's how it works. All right, watch this, guys. Watch this. This one, guys, this one goes out to Wolfric. This one goes out to Wolfric. Tutorial models. Watch this, Wolfric. This one goes out to you. Let's show you around. Watch this. Watch this. Dismissible. True. Watch this, guys. You can't make this up, guys. You can't make this up. Why didn't it refresh? Maybe I'm just making it up. The fly. The fly is my mortal enemy right now. All right, here we go. Here we go. A dribble designer will get a nightmare seeing this man work. Why? Because the designer will realize a mere React Native dev can absolutely design without them. Sorry, Poe. I had to restart the app. Very unfortunate. Of course, it's crawling to a start. It's gonna work though. It's gonna work, and it's gonna be sick. Oh, come on. Okay, here we go. Here we go. It's just so cool that this is data driven. I'm not going to do it, but technically you could serve the tutorial from the server and dynamically change it as you want to. How are you finding dealing with Google and Apple's review process? It goes great. It goes very well. Okay, so I don't like where it's centered, so we're going to have to fix that. But anyway, let's just see if it works. Welcome to Embedded. Let's show you around the place. Ready? Got it. Hold on, this thing's all botched. I don't think we're in a workflow yet, so how is it? I don't think we're in a tutorial yet. Let me see if I can just reload it and clear that thing out. All right. I need to dismiss that damn thing. So I don't think we're in the tutorial, and I think the tutorial's showing the modal. That's what I think's happening. Let's see here. Tooltip. On dismiss. Maybe I'm not dismissing it properly. Yeah, I guess I'm not. So let's go back to generic. What is it? Tutorial modal. Yeah, I'm not doing this right. I think on dismiss. And let's go back to report option pressed. Excuse me. Oh, it's a custom hook. Nice. Sick. That's going to be sick. It's going to be nice and easy. This is Wolfric. This is a long one. Still goes out to you. It's just a little longer than I was hoping. Option. Notification. Okay, it's going to work now. Got it. Boom. All right, let me refresh. Let me refresh now that it works. Let me refresh now that it works. Ready? Watch this, guys. So someone's going to come into the app. I'm going to clear the state. Okay, watch. Someone comes into the app, they're a brand new user. They're like, ah, man, I wonder what this app's all about. They're going to be met with this. We got to raise this up a little bit, but that's not a big deal. Welcome to Embedder. Let's show you around the place. We will start by creating your first habit. Sounds legit. Sounds legit. Let's create your first habit. Blah, blah, blah. Cool. This button is what you press to add new habits. Okay, cool. Give your habit a title. Okay. Add notes about your habit. Okay. When you are finished, create your habit here. Got it. That's as far as we've come, guys. But there you go. Now we have the concept of the whole point of what I was just showing you is we have the concept of a generic little modal. Let's get that thing to like be a little bit higher up in the sky. And guys, I want you to know, I had to hand build the tutorial, dude. I had to hand build it. It was there was no solution. There was no solution. I had to hand build every aspect of this. It's been an absolute grind. I've had to learn and overcome so much crap. So I'm pretty excited about this, to be honest with you. This body goes away, which is awesome. Donnie, I thought about it, but then you got to like maintain it and stuff, and I don't really want to do all that. You know what I mean? Okay, so next, guys. I'm Donnie in the open source world. I'm more of a user than a contributor. You know what I mean? All right, so how do we get this thing a little bit higher? I don't know. You tried open source once after you're done. Someone already did it. Dude, that's funny. That's mad funny. Brutal, though. Okay, so what I gotta do to get this thing? Just for funsies. 100, sure. Does that move it? Yes, it does. Cool. So I need to do something. Export const get tool tip top. Export const get tooltip bottom. Whoa. What the dickens? I just need to move this out. What's your beef, bruh? Cool. Then I should be able to do this. Thank you. So then I can do this. Get tooltip bottom. Get tooltip top. Okay. And then I can do this. So what did we say? If I make bottom 100, what does it do? What if I make it 110? What does it do? Okay. Yo, what up? Nikita, welcome in, my friend. What is that keyboard called? The Mo Ergo Glove 80. You wonder how people find time to make all the open source stuff. Yeah, dude. You gotta have a real passion for it. I remember you made that map, dude. That thing's sick. All right. So, um, so now we know. I'm trying to figure out a nice get window. Well, not that. I'm trying to find a generic way to get window height divided by 2 minus 50. What does that do? Well, that's just no. 4. Ibra, let's go. How we doing? Divided by 10. I'm trying to find a generic way to like. Okay, so if I make this 0, what does it do? Oh god. I mean, that's good. What's the problem here? And what if I make it undefined? Okay, then it's got to be 0. Cool. Cool, cool, cool. Okay, so this is. Watch this. Tooltip position dot center is 0 otherwise. And then this becomes get bottom. I broke everything. All right, cool. Let's try this again. Oh. What in tarnation happened? Tutorial Island. Bro, you don't know what Tutorial Island is? Tooltip position. Is that what I want to be looking at? What is position? Dude, observe. Observe. Here. Oh, God. Hold on. I'm botching it. Hold on. Observe. Welcome to Tutorial Island. Dude, guys, I'm going to make sure Ibra's account goes right through Tutorial Island. Welcome to Tutorial Island. Here we go. This is Tutorial Island, guys. Welcome to Embeddr. Got it. Let's create your first habit. This button does this. Give your habit a title. Add notes. Do other stuff. The end. Tutorial Island. A programming language first. Nobody's ever built a Tutorial Island in React Native before. It's an absolute language first. Yeah, that was pretty slick, isn't it? I gotta be honest, that's pretty slick. I gotta be honest. Create. So I need to think about this. So why would... There's only one center here. So why would this... Position 4. Well, I don't know what position 4 means. I don't know why that's getting so botched. That's my beef right now. Is that this one? No, I don't know. I don't know how this is impacting that. I just don't. Tooltip position. 0 is top. What if I reverse the roles? Clear. Start. Boom. 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 What's up, Akira? Fun is over. Akira's here. That's when the fun starts, my guy. Tutorial Island's a great honeymoon destination. It really is, dude. It really is. All right. Akira, I hope you saw that. We just added a modal. What a gorgeous Polish man. Facts, dude. Facts. Welcome in, Phoenix. Okay, watch this, guys. Here we go. Tutorial Island. Commence. Welcome to Embedder. Should I center this text, guys? Like, something about this modal just still seems off to me. Away mode's bugged? Do tell. Do tell. I bet you I know what the problem is already, but let's go look. I've unfortunately encountered some then that's a botch. I hope you guys like this post, by the way. So that's a bug on the server. Why wouldn't it have removed your away mode service? User event dispatcher, user event handler on return. It should have removed your badge. It obviously didn't. Do me a favor just for fun. Can you go away again and then come back again? Where else are you get this service? That's right, dude. That's right. All right, so in the meantime, that's what we needed, guys. We needed a generic modal. We got it. Okay, Abra did it. Did it go away? And it's still there. Okay. Let me look at the logs quick. Render. See if I can find something quick. So nothing of concern. What the hell is this? Bruh, don't be logging that. That's redonkulous. Anyway. We probably should have saw some. Oops. Oh God. We probably should have saw some form of notification on user event dispatcher, user event listener. Push the fix for the. Oh, Candroid needs to be passed to the front end. Okay, no worries. Let's see here. Good find though, by the way. Good find. Let's see here. The fly's back. The fly's back. Yeah, we should have got user event received. User returned. I'm not the fly. No, you're not, Louis. User event received. Received. User event received. We're gonna have to debug this after. The good news, I guess, Ibra, is you can still use the app. It's just weird. I'll fix that after this. I'm too lost in the sauce right now to do that. But good bug report. That is annoying. I'll have that fixed today, no question. Okay, so let's keep cooking, guys. Starting over. So now we have tutorial create. So now we have the concept of generic notifications such as this. It doesn't look great, but I guess we can fix that later. Something about it just isn't good. I don't know what it is. She works really well. Okay. So we have notify, create habit, press habits, add new habit button, explain title, explain notes. Let's keep doing a couple more explains, I think. Because I think people are going to have to come in and say, this is going to be interesting. Days of the week. So tutorial, create, edit. I don't know what's going to happen in here. This should be interesting. Huh? Weird. Okay. Create days of the week toggle. Let's see what that looks like. Explain days of the week. Yo, what's good? Fleece on 10 Stream Streak. Let's go. Oh, you know we're cooking, dude. Explain days of the week. Don't know what happened there. Explain days of the week. Bro, what is going on with that? Weird. Explain days of the week. Okay. So we need to, I think, add a. So that's that. Tutorial create. So this is going to be explain days of the week. So then we need to add what that looks like right here. This will be interesting, guys. Explain days of the week. Option. Days of the week toggle. I'll deal with that in a minute. Days of the week toggle. You can specify. You can run. You can schedule this habit for specific days of the week. So this one, I think we're going to do top alignment. This is going to be interesting. Flex end dismissible true. Okay. This is going to be interesting, guys. Here we go. Let's start the flow. See, I didn't add any code. I just data drove it. Here we go. Title. Boom. Damn, it didn't get picked up. Why didn't it get picked up? Why didn't it get picked up? Explain days of the week. I think I got to refresh. It should have got picked up right here in these steps. Here we go. Got it. Boom. 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 It's not bad. It's not bad. Like, that's potentially sufficient. I really think I want to. I don't know why alignment didn't do it. Why wouldn't alignment have done it? Let's go to. Let's go look at the component. So here it is, the toggle. I have an idea. It's a bad idea, but I'm going to do it anyway. What the? Well, first of all, let's do this. This will be fun. Background color. Green. So I should go green. Nice. With 100. I swear it should have went to the right, dude. I really do. Let's go look. I have a theory. I'm not happy about it. Why do I feel like this has to go in here? Okay, it doesn't. Here we go. See, this one's center, no big deal. This one is center. Okay. So maybe it's not working. Why the app restart? Why the app restart? Why the app restart? What in tarnation just what the hell just happened? That should have been impossible. Whatever. Okay. Um Align self. Flex start. Okay. Flex end. Okay. Flex end. I mean, horrible. Dude, we had this working. Telling you, guys, some of the hardest shit I've had to do here. Let's see here. Yeah, I see the sun popping up here too strong. Okay, tutorial. I swear we already solved this. I have a theory, guys. I have a theory. I wish I had a theorem, but instead I just have a mere theory. Uh, I have it. I have an idea, and it's not, and it makes me disappointed. Tutorial element. I bet you it's because this thing isn't inside this. I'm just betting, guys. I'm a betting man, okay? I'm a betting man. So if we go back into tooltip, oh god, if we go back into tooltip, um, let's just try it. You can. Aziz, let's go. Welcome in. You can. So flex end should have been the alignment, right? So if we go to tutorial, no, if we go to tooltip, it's still 3 a.m. for you. Yeah, dude, you gotta wake up in an hour, Fleece. It's almost morning time. Aziz, how we doing? Console. Log tooltip. Alignment is flex end. I don't get it. Why is that thing not reacting to it? Create I really don't know. My only other thought is this. All right, Fleece. Until next time, my friend. Thanks for coming in, dude. Sleep well. Let's try this with 100. Maybe it's not. Oh, I don't know what's going on, guys. Very odd to me. So let's get in there and test this out. Tutorial Island. Let's go to Tooltip. We're gonna do this. I don't know if this is a good idea or not, but we're gonna try to just be annoying. Tool tip. There you go. Flex. Start. So there it is. Look how beautiful. Look how beautiful. And then I can even come in here and say flex end. And it's just the beautiful the other way. Why is it causing me so much turmoil when I click here? See, okay. See, we're already at an impasse. This thing should be aligning. Okay. Okay. That now we're in now things are getting interesting. So padding divided by 2. Oh. Okay, well let's imagine. Is this React Native? You got it. You got it. We're building a language first tutorial island. A language first. Okay, cool. So that's good. Flex end, flex start. Like that's what you want to see. Got it. Now this one's a little bit more interesting because how do we figure out how far we want to indent that little arrow? That's the question. Right now, it's all the way over. Then we need to put some padding on it, and that's what we had. Strong says it should aim to the element it's referring to. All right. How do we calculate it? Strong. Of course we want it to aim to the element it's referring to. I'm trying to figure out how to calculate it. Now, if I do this, don't listen to that. If I do this, don't listen to that either. You can't find any code that automatically adds or removes badges. The only place where user badges reference is the down service. So that will be in right here. So it's an event. So watch this way. Uh, away mode service. When somebody goes away, we then fire an event. So they've returned. So then we go to user event handler ultimately remove away badge, which will then call this dot remove badge and it passes in away, and then that will delete the badge from the user. That's how she cooks. But for some reason that trigger that somewhere in that event driven process wasn't working. It's away mode service. So when somebody actually hits the away mode, ultimately comes into the away mode service, which then sets the user as away or not. What does refresh do? Yeah. You don't have this code. That's weird. Let me see if I have pending pushes.